all know Gen AI is the hottest cake in the market, right? So
Yes.
how do you keep yourself updated with the advent of Gen AI?
Okay, so I do a lot of open sourcing, right? So like I open up my GitHub in Saturday morning. I see like whatever repositories are there open into different Gen AI projects. I start creating pull requests. I see the code. I do code review. I start creating pull requests. If there are some codes that I'm not understanding of some different level, I get into those modules. I learn those modules, right? So I would say if you are learning a new thing into Gen AI, it's the best way. If you have certain amounts of tech experience, start doing hands-on. If you contribute to open source technologies, there is nothing better than that. Understanding.